everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back today with a haul and a very small little share. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the Lawn Fawn Reveal Wheel. So I did get this. It was on back order. Actually, all the Reveal Wheel stuff was on back order, which is why my Markerpop order took a little bit of time. So here is the die to do a kind of reveal card. So you get this piece in the wheel and then this little piece that fits in here that reveals your message, and then a little arrow, which is super, super tiny. And actually make sure to glue it back down again. I did get that. And then I got other reveal wheel little pieces that go together. This is the speech bubble add-on. Got that one. And then I got the ice cream add-on, which is super adorable. And then I got the sweetest flavor, the Lawn Fawn, and I love these ones. These little ones are really inexpensive and really super cute. You can do a lot with them. And then I also got the lawn cuts that go with it, the dies. And then I also got the Reveal Wheel Sentiments. So these are some things that go with or will fit in those little spaces in the reveal wheel. So I did get this one, and I'll show you, this is my card share. So I'll show you the card. So this was just kind of me experimenting a little bit just to see if I could figure out how it works. And so here you can see it, the ice cream changing colors. So I did learn quite a bit in making this card. So hopefully I can do a better job on the next one, but I still think it came out really cute. And so there's that. And then also on that card, I used my new Hello Doodlebug Design 6x6 paper pad because I'm actually just killed my second Doodlebug paper pad, which I'll show you guys in another video because I'm still kind of finishing that up. Really, really super cute papers. You can see them right here on the front. It's just a little bit different color palette, which I really, really like. I also got the Pretty in Pink Posh. These ones were on clearance. This one is called Happy Owls. I think it's super cute, and I'm going to make a card very soon with that because I actually have somewhere up here I have this little piece of paper, which I'm going to, from another card that I had made, I'm going to go ahead and make a card with that one for sure. And then mermaids, I really like this particular mermaid, and the price is really nice with this size set. And this is the mermaids from Avery Elle, and I also got the dies. And then last but not least, I got this, actually I had something else to show you. I got this Doodlebug Down on the Farm paper. And then real quick, I'll show you a couple other things that came in while we're here. One is this acetate paper pad from We Are Memory Keepers, and basically they're just acetate sheets, which I'm going to be using for a project that is a case, I think it's of Happy Mail. When I actually post it, I'll go ahead and I'll post the link to that. But I'm going to be doing a really cute little tag album, and I'm going to use this acetate pad for that. And I got that from Amazon. And then let's see, I did buy some of these Traveler's Notebook inserts because I have a ton of Disney paper, and I am going to be doing an album, but I have a lot of Disney stuff. So I live really close to Disneyland. Actually, I grew up in Anaheim. My parents still live there. So my dad retired from there, so we can go pretty much whenever we want as long as it's not blocked out. And so I have a lot of Disney paper, and I just love these inserts. I mean, I can make my own. I guess I can make my own, but these were really reasonably priced, so I went ahead and got them. And I also want to pull out my Eileen Hull Traveler's Notebook die because I haven't used it yet. So I'm going to pull that out and make some little notebooks. So I got the daily calendar and the line inserts, and you get 2 in each. So you get 2 of those and 2 of those. And then also I have this paper, which is, I think this is Metropolitan. Metropolitan Girl, and I just love this line, and I have this paper, so I thought I'd make an album with that. So I got the line inserts, and this is what you get. You get 2 of those, and then this one, which is the daily calendar. So you get that and the purses, and so I think that would make a really super cute album. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.